Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money with ShrinkMe.io. Essentially, I want to share a very simple yet effective side hustle strategy that requires very little effort but can still generate nice secondary income. I will go over the ShrinkMe's business model, how the payout structure works, leveraging the existing viral content and more, so let's jump right into the video. So starting with understanding ShrinkMe's business model, and at a high level, ShrinkMe is a link shortening service that pays registered users actual money when people click on or review the shortened URLs that you create through their platform. So they generate revenue to distribute out to members like us by showing advertisements before someone ultimately reaches the intended destination of one of your shortened links that they click. Basically, you get paid a cut of the ad profit that your traffic generates. Now, this is a legitimate, well-established business model that they've been using for years now, with tons of happy members actively getting paid. Millions of visitors check out ShrinkMe links from members every single month, and that traffic volume and payouts both keep growing consistently year after year as they gain more momentum. So if we head over to their website, shrinkme.io, and then we can showcase recent payout examples from normal members. By clicking on payment proof, you can view a bunch of people that actually got paid recently and see the exact amount that they were paid. Not only that, but we can also see the payment method that they chose to withdraw their money with, such as PayPal, phone, PE, UPI, and so much more. Additionally, on the homepage itself, you can see a highest paying URL shortener. You can join now and earn up to $220 per 10,000 views onto your links. So realistically, you're probably not going to get instantly rich or be able to turn this into a sustainable full-time gig off the bat, but it could work pretty well as a side hustle. An extra few $100s per month is life-changing for a lot of people out there. Especially if you're just doing this kind of work on the evenings and weekends, even students can take advantage to make extra summer cash, so don't sleep on the power of these little income streams. Up next, I'm going to explain how ShrinkMe's payout structure works. So when making an account and logging into your dashboard on the site, you can click on the payout rates, and from here you will see exactly how much they pay per 1,000 views, specifically broken down by country of traffic origin. So for example, you would get paid $22 per 1,000 views from viewers that come from Greenland, or $16 per 1,000 views from the Irish viewers. And the rates can fluctuate moderately over time based on advertising demand in each area as well as currency conversion dynamics. But in general, it stays pretty stable and lucrative across the board. And the core concept remains as simple as more views and clicks equals to bigger payouts. And I'm going to share a hands-down working strategy for heavily amplifying your ShrinkMe traffic by leveraging viral platforms like TikTok and Instagram, making content that goes viral, and actually reach a kind of content with an audience already demonstrating high engagement and interest. And the key concept here is tapping onto content that is already catchy and being consumed at scale across the web, rather than trying to make something hot entirely on your own. For example, all these short form video applications like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Snapchat are all filled with an endless goldmine supply of clips, pulling in tens of millions, and in some cases hundreds of millions of views and raving fans. So you can isolate specific niches like food, recipes, life hacks, comedy, dating advice, and anything trending hard with that snapshot viral format. And so what you can do then is locate one of those smoking hot videos already doing big numbers and try to make a similar video. Sometimes you can even use the same exact content if available, and then repost a shortened version of it on YouTube Shorts or even TikTok, properly crediting back to the original creator, of course. And you personally won't make any AdSense money yourself on YouTube in this scenario, since it's not your original property or creative work, but that's perfectly fine for us because we don't care about the AdSense money. What we do care about in this case is leveraging Shrink.me's payout rates by leveraging the existing social proof, excitement, and community around the already high performing content. Now, of course, it does take consistency and patience, posting over weeks and months to accumulate that level of traffic velocity. Nothing happens overnight, but even a fraction of those hypothetical numbers is a killer side income. Now, don't forget to add your own branded shortened URL in the comment section so that you can actually make income when a lot of eyes are on it and some people end up clicking on it. And that, in short, is one strategy that you can use to leverage ShrinkMe.io in order to make some money on the side. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions, and if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.